Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Verisk to analyze risk data for underwriting decisions, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Verisk for analyzing risk data in underwriting decisions, start by accessing the Verisk platform. Ensure that you have the necessary credentials to log in. Navigate to the Data Integration section of the platform. Select the relevant data sources that you wish to analyze. Establish a secure connection by following the prompts for authentication. If required, input your API key or any other necessary authentication details. Once authenticated, choose the specific risk data you need for your analysis. Utilize the filtering options to refine your data selections based on your underwriting criteria. Review the data samples provided to ensure it meets your requirements. After confirming the data, proceed to initiate the data extraction process. Monitor the extraction status to ensure it completes without errors. Once the data is successfully extracted, download it to your local system. Open the downloaded data in your preferred data analysis software. Begin the analysis by applying your underwriting models and criteria. Generate reports based on your findings from the risk data analysis. Review the reports to make informed underwriting decisions. Keep a record of the data sources and methodologies used for future reference. Finally, maintain regular updates with Verisk to ensure continued access to the latest risk data insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.